A cloud photographed from a flight. If you want someone to really listen to you, then start the conversation with, I should not be telling you this, but the best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii. 6-year-old Australian girl buys house of her own worth of 3.6 crore with her siblings. Ruby and her siblings pooled in their pocket money to buy the house and with the help of their father who guided them in the process to earn money. A shark in a fish tank will grow 8 inches, but in the ocean can grow to 8 feet or more. The shark will never outgrow its environment, and the same is true about you. Come out of your comfort zone, then only you will grow. Japanese scientists created a TV that will give you flavors of food. One can taste the food showing on the display by licking the TV screen. Hazim Amla pays 50% of his match fees as fine for not wearing the logo of an alcohol company in his jersey. Thomas Beatty is the first man to get pregnant and give birth on 29 June 2008. CIA agents in the 50s used different lacing patterns to secretly communicate. Nearly 200 million people around the world regularly smoke cannabis. Street food in Vietnam is so available, fast, and cheap that international fast food chains like McDonald's flopped after entering. The color of human skin is determined by the level of pigment melanin that body produces. Those with small amount of melanin have light skin, while those with large amounts have dark skin. In 2019, a man robbed almost $8,000 from two banks in Israel while carrying an avocado that looked like a grenade. The line on the tablets is called debossed line. These lines are usually found on high-power tablets so that they can be broken and half dose of it can be consumed. According to a study, girls learn to talk earlier, use sentences earlier, and tend to read quicker than boys. The brain is much more active at night than during the day. Parents of newborn babies lose about 6 months of sleep during the first 2 years of their child's life. Humans are the only animals that enjoy spicy foods. In 2015, a Russian designer has proposed the concept of refrigerator called BioRobot refrigerator that cools your food with biopolymer gel. There are no shelves, compartments or doors. You just insert your food into a gel. Facial hair on men is the fastest growing hair on the male body. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.